In this video, you'll learn how to book a hairstylist on Wecasa, whether you are using their website or mobile app. By the end of this guide, you will have successfully scheduled an appointment for hairdressing services at your convenience. Start by visiting the website www.website.so.uk on your computer, or open the Wecasa app on your mobile device. If you are using the app, ensure it's updated to the latest version for optimal performance and access to all features. Once the home page loads, the first action is to enter your address. Look for the address input field prominently displayed. Enter your address accurately, as this helps in finding nearby hairstylists available for your selected services. After entering your address, click Search or the equivalent button to proceed. Next, you will need to navigate to the Hairdressing Services section. This can usually be found in the main menu or by scrolling down the home page. Click on the option labelled Hairdressing to view the available services. This will present you with a list of different hairdressing options, such as haircuts, colouring, or styling. After selecting the desired service, you will be prompted to fill in your availability and the duration for which you need the service. Make sure to provide accurate details to help the stylist schedule your appointment effectively. Once you have filled in your availability, proceed to the next step. In the comments section, add any specific requirements or preferences you may have regarding your hairstyling service. This is important as it allows the stylist to prepare accordingly and tailor the service to your. After entering your comments, review all the information to ensure everything is correct. Finally, confirm your booking by clicking on Book Now button or its equivalent. You may receive a confirmation message or email that outlines your appointment details. If you are booking during peak hours, be mindful that there may be delays in processing your request depending on the service demand and your internet connection speed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.